Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a surface cleaner for Karcher. As you can see in this particular video, the surface cleaner is not cleaning properly. You see these lines, and when it's spinning very slow. So I've got a few options. The first option is to clean these little nozzle points. I have a pin here, so I'm just poking it in. The other option is you've got to remove these U-clips and then this green clip, the nozzle. You can pull this out. Just got to use a little bit of force. Once it's out, you will notice that you will have a little bit of a dirt around it. So let me just pull this out. As you can see here, it gets pretty dirty, so you just need to clean that. You also see a little bit of dirt inside where the nozzle was. You just got to clean that as well. So I'm just going to spray it with some water here and just give it a bit of a clean and then put it back in. As you can see here, you'll see that there's a bit of dirt. Over time, I guess it's accumulating a lot of dirt from all the spraying, and all you need to do is just pull it out and clean it. So that's the second option. The next thing you can do is you can remove this part. I don't know what it's called, but this is where the water is coming out, and then it distributes the water to the two nozzle points. So just unscrew it. It's like a hex screw, so you need to get a hex screwdriver and just remove it. Remove all the way, and then all you need to do is also just give it a clean. So that's the point. Just give it a clean. You can remove this part as well, and you'll see the hole, and that's where the water is also coming from. So just make sure that's clean. So just give it a bit of a clean. Now once you've done those three things, you'll be back to normal. As you can see here, it's spinning back to normal. It's spinning fast. Hope this video helped, and if it did, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.